Okay, so 6B from the sheet. We did 6A in class. We got our FGC to be 30.75, and then B says, if the rope connecting A and B were cut, what would be the acceleration of C? So if you're cutting this rope, now it's just A and B, B and C on the incline. And if we look at the forces, there will be FGC pulling this way. This will be FGBY. This will be FGBX. And friction will be acting this way. FFR on B. Okay, so pulling one way, FGC, and pulling back, friction on B, and FGBX. Okay, so sum of the forces will equal M total A, and so, it'll be FGC minus FGBX minus friction on B is equal to MB plus MC times A, and we're solving for A. So this will be FGC, I'm not going to break it down because we have FGC already, minus FGB, and the X component is sine theta, minus mu FGB cos theta, and then divide it by MB plus MC. So A should equal, what was it, 30.75 newtons minus 25 newtons sine of 36.87 minus 0.35 times 25 newtons times the cos of 36.87. And then now when you divide, remember you need the masses, not the, so it's not 25, it's 2.54842 kilograms plus, what was it, 30? Yeah, 30.75 divided by 9.81. 3.1345566 or something. Okay, and you can keep all the digits there. And then type them all in carefully. Remember to put brackets around the bottom. And when you do this, you should get an acceleration of 1.54 meters per second squared. Okay, so that's 6B. 7. Block B of mass 12 kilograms is sitting on a horizontal table, so it's not an incline. So this is MB. Is sitting on a horizontal table attached by two cables, one going this way and one going this way. My money's on this is MA and this is MC. So MB is 12 kilograms. A mass A of 4 kilograms is hanging over the left-hand side. 4 kilograms. Mass C hangs off the right over a second pulley. The coefficient of friction is 0.25. So mu is 0.25. The acceleration of the system is 2 meters per second squared. And you want to find mass C, and it says it's moving to the right, so this way is positive. Okay? And this way is negative. And that also means that friction is acting back like this. Alright, so you're going to do sum of the forces is equal to M total A, so it'll be FGC minus FGA minus friction on B will equal MA plus MB plus MC times A. So MCG plus MAG minus mu MBG is equal to MAA plus MBA plus MCA. And you're solving for MC. So I'd bring the MCA over here. So MCG minus MCA. And I take everything else over. So MAA plus MBA minus MAG plus mu MBG. Pull out your MC, G minus A, and divide by the bracket. So you'll have MC equals MAA plus MBA minus MAG plus mu MBG divided by G minus A. And now fill in your numbers. MA was 4 kilograms. 2 meters per second squared, plus B was 12 kilograms times 2 meters per second squared minus 4 kilograms. 4 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared plus 0.25 times 12 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared. Did I screw up the signs? Yeah, that's a negative. So that's a positive, that's a positive, that's a positive. Sorry about that. It was like, why is one of these plus and the other one minus? There we go. And then divided by 9.81 meters per second squared minus 2 meters per second squared. And if you're good, you should get an MC of 12.89 kilograms. Okay? Bottom 7.81, top that's 8, that's 24, that's 39 point something, and that's almost 40, 80. Yeah, 12. I'm going to go with 12. Okay? Number 8. Now, number 8 is not as bad as it might at first appear. It's really just 2 inclined planes that are back to back. Okay, so one here and one here. This one has an angle of 30 degrees, and this one has an angle of 53.13 degrees. MA is sitting on this one. MB is sitting on this one. They, of course, are attached by a rope over a pulley. Okay, so FGAX is going to be pulling this way, and FGBX is going to be pulling like that. So if we were to draw it in a straight line, FGBX goes one way, FGAX goes the other. Okay, it's frictionless, so that's it. That's all we have. We have MA is 100 kilograms, and we have MB is 50 kilograms. And the question says, which way will it move? Well, it's going to move depending on which one of these is bigger. So find your FGAX. It's really just going to be MAG sine theta of A. So it's going to be 100 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared times the sine of 30. FGAX 490.5. Going to run out of time. Do the same thing with FGBX. MBG sine theta B, so 50 kilograms, 9.81 meters per second squared, and the sine of 53.13, which is 0.8. So when you do 0.8 times 50 times 9.81, that's 40 times 9.81, you get, I believe, 392.3995 newtons. Which one's going to win? A. So it's going to move down in the A direction. What will the acceleration be? So now do sum of the forces. is equal to M total A,